Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Whirlpool washers. The dreaded error code F0E0. If your washer is flashing this code, don't panic. It's often something you can fix at home. This video is tailored for 2025 models, but the tips should work for most recent ones. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your machine running smoothly again. First off, what does error code F0E0 mean? It typically indicates a problem with the water level detection system. Your washer might think there's an issue with the water pressure, like it's too low or not sensing properly. This could halt the cycle and leave you with a pile of wet clothes. Understanding this is key to troubleshooting effectively. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One big culprit is an unbalanced load. Maybe your laundry is unevenly distributed, causing the drum to shift. Other reasons include a faulty pressure switch, a clogged inlet valve, or even a kinked hose restricting water flow. Environmental factors, like low water pressure in your home, can also trigger this error. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your washer and waiting a few minutes to reset it. This simple step resolves the issue about 30% of the time. Next, check your laundry load. Open the door, redistribute the clothes evenly, and try running a cycle again. If that doesn't work, inspect the hoses for any kinks or blockages, and make sure the water supply is turned on fully. For more technical fixes, you might need to clean the pressure switch or inlet valve. Refer to your user manual for exact locations. If you're handy, use a multimeter to test for electrical issues, but if not, call a professional to avoid any risks. Remember, safety first, always unplug the machine before tinkering. By following these steps, you should clear that F0E0 error and get back to clean clothes in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.